Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get a free VPN on your phone without installing lots of apps, so you can access Suratu or other region log websites. It's fast, simple, and all inside one browser. Okay, let's jump right in. First, what's a VPN? VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. It routes your internet traffic through a server in another location, so websites think you are browsing from that country. It's handy for privacy and for accessing content that limits to certain countries. And then right now, a trending example is Sora 2. It's available on the web, but access needs an invite code and it's not open in every country. And then, so if your country isn't supported, you will see a message like this after you enter an invite code like this. For example, I will input a random invite code like this. You will see a message like this. Zora is not available in your country yet, like this. That's where a VPN helps. Instead of installing Spirit VPN's apps, I will show you how to use Opera's built-in VPN on Android. It's one app and no extra installs. Just open your Google Play Store and then search for Opera browser and then just install it like this and then just open it and then just tap your profile icon on the bottom right corner, this one, just tap on it and then you will see a VPN feature. Just tap on it to toggle it on. It will give a few common virtual locations and easy to use like this. And then to test it out, let's open Sora 2 website again. And then just sign in. And then let's try to enter a random invite code again. For example, like this. And okay, like this. If your location was blocked before, you should no longer see the not available in your country message again. Instead, you might get invalid code message like this. And that's good. It means region restrictions is gone. But here's a quick note. Opera's built-in VPN is limited. It's great for simple access, but for more locations or stronger privacy, you might consider a paid VPN. And okay, that's it. Quick and free. Just download Opera, enable the browser VPN, and then just use it to log into Sora 2, and then you should be able to bypass country blocks so long as you have a valid invite code. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!